Hi, my name is Susan Manganello. My daughter Jennifer Manganello, at the age of 15, had a spinal fusion. Unfortunately, the physician didn't do a procedure, and she suffered a spinal cord injury. She suffered lots of medical mishaps over the 7 years of her life. She was in the hospital for a good 5-6 months, recovering from the spinal injury. She developed kidney failure as well as liver damage, and eventually died in the hospital because of hospital-acquired infections, as well as the conditions that she suffered while in the hospital. The doctor never admitted fault. In fact, probably about 4 months after the incident occurred, he was promoted to chief of orthopedic pediatrics. He really never felt like he had done anything wrong. Unfortunately, he covered up the incident and then blamed it on somebody else, and said neurologically she would have been paralyzed down the road, and the neurosurgeon said that wasn't true. So, did he learn his lesson? Probably not. We really want them to understand that some of these incidences could have been prevented. I mean, if he had woken her up like he was supposed to, maybe the outcome would have been different. If he did the MRI prior to surgery and saw the narrowing of her spine, the outcome definitely would have been different. So that's really what we're out to do, is to teach physicians and family members and patients to stand up for yourselves, and to teach the doctors that we have a voice and we need to be heard, and to try to limit the amount of neglect and malpractice cases. That's the ultimate goal, is not to have lawsuits. There are no frivolous lawsuits where I'm concerned when someone suffered this amount of damage. Where you've seen, people die needlessly. I mean, she could have had, many, many more years ahead of her, and instead, we had to bury our daughter when that shouldn't be.